Hi guys, and we're back with another Alfred Outlaws video. And, well, in today's video, I think we're going to take my custom Trans Am out and just, well, play around. So, okay. So we're going to take this, probably equip this trailer. We'll load the Trans Am up and we'll be on our way. There we go. And then we'll take the old twister truck. Okay. Free roam custom maps. What's a good map? Let's go here. Well, yeah. There. Okay. So we'll just let this load, and we're here. So then we'll just go to where we need to go. Which I think it's down here. So we'll just drive the truck down here. Turn here. And we are here. Look at this. Okay. There we go. So we're gonna go here. And we'll do a trail. Okay. And we finished. Holy cow, we got the world record. I don't believe that, but whatever. I'll try to beat 8 seconds. Let's try to beat it again. Oops. Okay, repair the car real quick. There. Okay. Well, I guess, I don't know. I really don't know at this point. We have NOS in this thing. Okay, wait. I know a trick how to make vehicles faster. We will do that next video. So, we will do that in the next video. But right now, we're going to do some drifts. So put it in reverse. And I don't really know how to drift a car in Alfred Outlaws, but we just did. Skirt. Okay, so we're just gonna drift it again. Okay. We will. Do they have jumps on this map? Ooh, we might have to see if they have jumps. Go reverse off a jump. Well, this is mud. Yeah. This isn't really a mudding vehicle. We'll go get the truck. Go through that mud. Ah. There. Put it in front wheel drive. Well, they do have this. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh, we don't have the e-brake on this. Through the mud. Through the mud again. Okay. Ooh, we do have NOS on this thing, though. Okay. So then, yeah. Just gonna drive this over here. turn. Well, see you guys next time.